You cannot give up. No matter how dark things may seem right now, I promise you, you will come out of the other side okay. It's actually the perfect setting right now. Behind me on this camera, there is a storm that is so intense, and this is exactly the perfect example of how life can feel like sometimes. But the thing is that this storm that is outside there, it is going to pass. And your storm, I promise you, will pass as well. It is so difficult to imagine this when you're actually going through this phase. So if you are in this right now, then please just bear with me, watch until the end of the video, and I promise you that at least you are going to have a little bit of hope. There are certain situations in life that just completely rip us out of it, where we're just standing there and thinking to ourselves, what did I do to deserve this? And unfortunately, I wish I could give you an answer, but so often there isn't one. Some things just have to happen, and some things have to happen because they are going to make us so much stronger. I promise you that whatever it is that you're going through right now, you are going to walk out the other side and you are going to be transformed. Because it is impossible to go through this transformation and to really grow if you never have any challenges. And the only thing that we can adjust and that we can really work on is the way that we are going to react to it. That doesn't mean that you have to be happy right away after everything, not at all. But it does mean that you know deep down within you that one day there is going to be that sunshine again. Just like right now outside, it is going to rain for a while, and then the sun is going to come out and everything is going to seem a little bit better than it did before. I think diamonds are the perfect example for this. You may have heard about how diamonds are made, but if you have not, they are made under pressure. And this is such a cliche metaphor, but it is so true. You are never, ever going to reach the incredible highs of life if you have not gone through the lows. Most successful people are going to tell you this, that there is no way to the top other than failure. There is no way to get to the really good stuff if you're not going to experience the really bad. And while that does not make it easier, it is a little bit of a reminder that yes, right now you are hurting so much. And you are probably filled with so much pain and anger and sadness, and whatever reason this is right now. If you are on my channel, it may be that you've lost somebody, or if you just here new and just seeing this video separately, it may be that something else happened in your life that really just completely ripped you out. But maybe in a little while, it isn't going to hurt as much anymore. Maybe in a little while, you are going to be able to see the good things that are still in your life. Maybe in a little while, you are going to feel this feeling of happiness again. Even if right now it seems so far away, I promise you that after a while, there is going to be that end and you are going to reach it. You will. I'm not saying this because this may be true. I'm saying this because I know it is true. You have the strength within you to keep fighting and to keep going and to one day feel like you can actually breathe again. So right now, as you're going through this tough time, remember these things. Number one, be kind to yourself. I know that especially those times is when we start to get the nastiest to ourselves, but it is those times that we need ourselves the most. So tell yourself that it is okay you're feeling this way. It is okay that right now you want to give up, but you're not going to. Number two, try to get better little by little. You don't have to do big things. Even if you go for a 5-minute walk today and do something really small that is going to help you feel a little bit better, that is already incredible. If you manage to get a meditation in for 1 minute, or to call a friend, or just to do something really simple that right now you would normally not have the energy to, and then you are slowly going to increase this, step by step, you are going to feel better. Because one of the worst things that we can do when we're going through these tough times is to stop every single good habit that we've ever had and to just completely immerse in the sadness. Yes, we need this for a little while, but we cannot do this for too long. And number three, always remember that there are other people who have survived the same thing as you. That does not make it any better, or that doesn't make it good that it happened to us, but at least you know that yes, you are going to be okay, because look at how many people have done it before. I know you can do it too, and I know you have it within you. And one day when you're going to be okay again, you're going to look back and maybe think back to this video and go, do you know what? Maybe actually she was right. Maybe actually I really am able to be happy again and to feel good again and to enjoy life the way that I used to before this horrible thing happened to me. It's not going to be easy, don't get me wrong. A lot of work is required in order for us to get out of these really, really bad, horrible states. But it is possible. And if you are already watching this video, I know that you can do it.